The week that was. Guest bedroom.
Our father-daughter team came last in the Beach Box Challenge. And you are ending up with the 20s at the end.
It's the best house.
It's a best house.
Can you take me to the bedroom? Show me how to get offended. Lick my lips, I'm not pretending I came here for you. This transaction, no concession. You slip the scales while you
Wow. Week one, room one.
That has a lot of impact.
To have this amount of space,
Yeah.
that amount of wardrobe storage, it's pretty nice. Straight away you go, oh yeah, this could be a master.
Shona did have one criticism.
It has been bugging me a little bit, and that's the carpet choice. I'm getting office, not luxury.
Yeah. House two.
Has two, 40s.
Oh my gosh.
The 1940s house had something special going for it, right? No.
I looked at my guest bedroom. It's bigger than my master.
And if it's massive,
This can be a study.
cut it in half and make 2 rooms. No-brainer?
caught up in your turbulence, gasping for your air, and we flow.
Wow.
I love that rose in the ceiling. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love the door handles. They're really period appropriate. The cabinetry, again, looks fantastic. I love the colour palette.
But
We walked in the door straight into a corner.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Very conscious of that.
Also, this is a stud wall. This door could go anywhere they want.
Well, I think an office off a guest bedroom is the best place to put it if you're going to have like, that integration.
I think in terms of finishes and the way they've painted this, it's consistent with the bedroom. So as a luxury addition, I'm satisfied this adds value to the house.
This one?
rightio, that's a 30s.
Yep. Number 3.
Right smack in the middle of the block.
Meant to be.
Let's check it out.
Oh my gosh.
She's a beauty. She just stands out there and says, look at me.
That I need you. Would you tell me that you need me? Yeah. If I tell you all my feelings, would you believe me? Yeah. What if I told you that I love you?
Oh, wow. Look at that ceiling rose and this light. It's spectacular.
This is a pared back deco in the type of architraves they have. The doors are my favourite in the room.
She was also impressed that you had taken the Asian influence of the deco period with the bamboo feature picture frame.
There was a very big Asian influence in deco that not a lot of people sort of bring forward, and I'm very happy with that.
This, to me, is a very bold choice. This is like a statement that we're going to be contemporary with just the softest and most subtle touches of period, which I like.
What's the era of this one again?
This is 40s, and that's 10s.
You want character. I'm gonna go 1910.
The oldest house on the block.
It's timeless. The bay window, the massive hallway going all the way through.
Was it hard bringing the 1910s guest bedroom into 2020?
It's really hard, but I'm trying to give a nod to the heritage of the house.
So, embracing the period then?
Not at all.
You're watching, I feel it. I know I shouldn't stay. I picture your hands on me. I don't wanna let it happen. But what if you kiss me?
What decade are we in? One of the things I love about the 1910s is the strapping and the panelling.
What we're seeing in the hallway and the bedroom across the hall, that style is actually really beachy. Like this. I mean, this is reminiscent. These are reminiscent.
But what you have presented here today is a very contemporary room with some generic heritage touches.
Which is a shame because it's a lovely room. I actually like this room. I like the colour palette. It's got vintage touches, but there's no sense of that specific decade.
Coming in first place, Jimmy and Tam. The Beach Box winners picked the 50s house.
Number 5.
Perfect fit,
That's the house we wanted from the start.
From get-go.
You say, as long as I'm here, no one can hurt you. Don't wanna lie.
Wow. Another one of those soaring ceilings with 4 Velux. Look at that.
I love this so much.
Yes.
I've walked into this room with an evident, powerful, emotional connection, and I'm in love. You can see the sky through the skylights, and you can close those up so you can get complete darkness in here. All the drapery, you've got block-out blinds. I just... tick, 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 tick.
This room is kind of playing with my head a bit.
Oh, God.
I absolutely love it, but I'm not seeing much in here that really says 50s.
And that's where the debate got started.
It's not that slick 1950s retro, American diner, Grease is the word. It's not that.
It's Malibu, isn't it?
But is that bad? I mean,
No,
it's bad.
it's not bad. I need to reassure myself that there are authentic 50s references.
The winner of week 1 on the block 2020 and taking home $10,000 from Ford, and of course the Gag in Our Kitchen upgrade, is by half a point.
Oh, my God.
It's Jimmy and Tam. Yes!